Now it is the prime time for you to finish your dissertation. And we have got, what do you say, good amount of information already been provided in the, what do you say, in the syllabus itself. So we will go through with that, and I will also show you certain shortcut methods when I'm sure you might have been using a lot of AI tools these days. So I am going to show you what kind of a AI tool you can use for certain task when you're going for your research work. So in that way, today my session is going to go about. But here I'm not going to do any presentation as such, but I'm going to show you the direct, the websites and everything, so that you can understand as to how you have to do the things. I hope the things are clear.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So now, let me just share my entire screen to you all. And I really request you all, if you are having, if you have a laptop, so I really request you to, go through, you can do practice along with me. All right. That way also to be very helpful for you. So just give me a second. Let me just share my entire screen. All right. I hope my whole screen is visible to you all. You know? So
Yes, ma'am.
here, if you can see, we'll start with dissertation actually, so that you can do it, you can understand what it is actually. So
Ma'am, is it for semester 4?
it is actually MOOCs, you have to do it at any cost. You have to submit your this thing. If you see your syllabus,
It is first
MOOCs.
semester and fourth semester common class, madam, because they also do. So in advance, we are giving the presentation.
Acha, acha. So the audience I have is both first years and
Yeah, exactly.
second years. All right. So for you to understand who are newcomers, it is something that you understand what you have to do in your B.Ed course, because these are two vital things, very important things, which has great significance in your completion of course. For that reason, you please understand this. With time, you will get to know, but it is a kind request that you should do these things. So now, when it comes to, we will start with MOOCs, then we'll go for dissertation. All right. So let me just start with the MOOCs. So if you see in your syllabus, you have this part where you have to finish your MOOCs course by third semester. All right. But I don't know how many of them have finished, because it is mandated and reflected in memo, not included in total score or marks. Students can add them to their academic bank of credits, ABC account. All right. Now let us understand what is this ABC account and what is this MOOCs. These are two elements that we have to understand. Now let me go to the DigiLocker. There you can create your ABC account. Or else you can say, like, if you go here. Yeah. Okay, ABC account, Academic Bank of Credits. If you create your ABC account, which is already created,
We
mine is,
cannot see, ma'am.
you can't see, how come? You might have pinned someone else. Unpin that person, automatically my screen will be visible to you. All right. So yes,
Your screen is visible, but only MOOCs part is visible, not the one which you're showing, I think.
is that so?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, all right. Just give me a minute. Okay, okay. Now is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So I'll start from the beginning point. You should type this DigiLocker here. Basically, Government of India have taken an initiative wherein, if you lose any of your, what do you say, for instance, there was one of my student, she was living in Dubai, and unfortunately, the whole building have caught fire. And but by the grace of God, she have kept her certificates in a leather bag, because of which the fire did not catch to that bag. but the whole building was burnt out. So when she went, her all certificates were safe. That is a luck. Okay, that's a luck thing. She was very lucky. But this thing cannot happen all the time. Am I right? So this is not possible that it is going to happen this way. So for that reason, Government of India have taken an initiative where they have provided a server, a government server, where we can say here, DigiLocker is an Indian state-owned, secure, cloud-based digitation service. It is a digitation service which is given by the Government of India under the Ministry of Electronics and IT. So here this initiative is basically helping us to upload all our certificates. It is like a drive. If you lose your certificate also, if you have scanned and kept every certificate of yours in the ABC account in the DigiLocker, you can access it anywhere. Okay. And if, for example, if you want to get a government job, this, for example, when you might have been some of the students who might have applied for group 1 or group 2 examination, at that time also you might have seen this. When you were filling the form, they were asking your ABC ID, because this will also enact as a complete information being published into the website of the Government of India. So the Government of India, if there is any openings, they will also upkeep your, they will see that all the information, if any vacancy according to your, this thing is there, they will ask, they can inform you about the jobs that are available at government level. So basically, this is the initiative from the government where you can store everything of yours. It's a cloud storage system. Now let us click this link, DigiLocker. You have so many things, okay? You have this Umang in DigiLocker. You have Indian Overseas Bank. You also have Municipal Corporation. If you want to have your birth certificate, any certificate, through this you will be accessing everything. So once you upload everything here, you can do any government work, whatever you're feeling, whatever you're required for. So here, now let us go to this academic bank of credits, ABC account. So now you click here, you can see that they are asking about, APAR, that is your Aadhaar ID. Okay, so let us read what they have written. ABC credit has been established on the lines of National Academic Depository. In the sense, NAD is a backbone of ABC, where the students' academic data are held and academic awards are stored, that is, storehouse of academic awards. Despite the fact that ABC enables students to register or commence credit transfer, the final outcome of credit redemption, any issuance of certificates. See, listen to this. Now, what is the government initiative they have done? You can transfer your credits. Now, this MOOCs, this initiative in your B.Ed course is taken for you to understand that how the credits can be transferred. Because now UGC have said, they have created, they made an change in the policy that you can transfer your credits now. Because of NEP 2020, we have seen that there is a lot of development, there's a lot of change, and there's a lot of accessibility that has increased in the education system. So one of this thing is called as credit transfer. So for that reason, you can find that the credit transfer will only happen if you have an ABC account. Many of the students, what they are doing, they will apply for Swayam course, but they will not create the ABC ID and they will finish off the course. Now it will be at that time for them, it will be very difficult to transfer the credits to your final memo. Getting my point? Because if you have your ABC account ID, then only your credits will be transferred to your final memo. You have seen this clause, no? If you remember the clause, what it says, it is mandate and reflected in memo. What it is saying, it is mandatory for you to attend one MOOCs, that is massive open online courses. Got it? But there are different types of MOOCs that are available. Okay. There are, private companies that provides you MOOCs, and also, but we are preferring that if you go with the government-based MOOCs, that will be better. There is also another kind of spooks, that is private level open online courses. That might not give you the ability to transfer your credits to your memo, but it will only finish. आप खाली काम कर लोगे. See, for instance, they might go for some training or something, but those training marks will not be allotted for you. Okay, because the credits will not be transferred. So here it is very important for you to understand that it is mandate and reflected in memo, not included into the total score or marks, but student can add them to their academic bank of credits, because if you add here, easy for them to access there. All right. So please, I request you all to create this and make your ID. I am not signing up because already I have a digital DigiLocker account. You have to upload your Aadhaar card number and all that. Once you upload all those things, then you can go ahead. Even though for your sake, I'm just logging in. They're asking the Aadhaar card. I cannot put that Aadhaar card, okay, here. So I request you all to do this and go ahead. All right. So they are like how you go for your Google account, how you make your Google account, like that only you can go for that. So here you will have the option of sign in and sign up. So if you sign up, you will have to fill in all these details and then you can go ahead with your DigiLocker account. After that, at the end, you will get an ABC account. I don't feel like sharing my ABC account, but you will get a small card. I don't know, because it is getting, see, like this, you will get a small card with your ID number. All right. So there you can, this ID number, you have to keep it in the Swayam. Now let us understand, you got this point of what DigiLocker is. You have to create your ABC account. And also in this, you also have storage system where you can store the information.
Ma'am, what is Swayam?
I'm coming to that point. First, we will go one by one. First, what you have to do? First, you have to work with your DigiLocker, create an account there. Now, once you are having your account and ID there, you have to go to Swayam. This is one of the portal which is created by the Government of India, which is an online learning platform. What it is? It is an online learning platform where they will provide you MOOCs. What MOOC stands for your understanding, I'm showing you. Massive Open Online Courses. So see, you can see there is a private company edX, which is also providing you MOOCs. But we don't want you to go with these private companies, because sometimes what happens is they might be fraud companies also, because online world is a very huge world and people who are not aware of it, they might go into ignorance, and because of ignorance they might pay a lot of amount to finish this MOOCs, and at the end they will suffer. So for that reason, to go on safe side, we are requesting all our BH students, all the universities, whoever is connected to Osmania, we are suggesting them to move to Swayam NPTEL, because there only it's an authentic platform, very low cost platform, and very qualitative information is given here. The best part here is professors from IIT, from big universities are teaching and taking these Swayam courses. So for that reason, we are asking you to please apply for this MOOCs का जो part है आपका, please apply it through Swayam only. Many of the students come and ask me, Madam, can we go for some companies, they name it. I always suggest them that we don't know that it is applicable here in our B.Ed. It is applicable in the university or not. We are not aware of it. So it is always better, instead of putting yourself into risk, it is better that you please apply any course from education background, from education department background, to get your transferring of credit. Basically, as UGC have given this policy to transfer the credit, this is one of the steps taken from the B.Ed course. Is it clear what Swayam is? It's an online education platform designed by the Government of India, accepted all over the world, and it has great weightage because there is a lot of investment goes from the government side, and the professors and the teachers who are teaching here, they are very well renowned in their specialized subject, and you can get in-depth information on the subject, whatever you are working on or whatever you have selected the course. So with this basic understanding, now let us see what you have to do. When you go to this Swayam portal, as I have typed here Swayam NPTEL, you can go to the Swayam portal. Once you enter this Swayam portal, it looks like what I have showed you. We'll go to this one. This is how it looks like. All right. So if you are new or same, you can just register yourself.
Ma'am, I have a question about this. If
Okay.
I may ask you now, or do I
Yes,
have?
yes, you can please go ahead.
Okay, I just wanted to know, like, what's the purpose of this? Like, why do I have to
See,
put
as
my
I told you
details?
now, UGC have said that you can transfer. You can't imagine once you start doing
When
your,
you say
your
transfer, I'm
career.
not sure what transfer,
Transfer in a sense, if you have seen here,
right?
it's a 2 credit course that you have to do.
So is this
It
this
will be shown
applicable
in
for
your
me?
certificate.
Sorry,
How?
is this applicable for me who's doing the B.Ed course currently?
No, it is applicable to everyone in this world.
Right.
This world.
No, I just want to know whether this is going to be helpful for me while I'm doing my B.Ed, because this is the only course that I'm
Yes.
doing right
So
now.
while you are doing B.Ed also, it will be helpful. Even if you become a teacher also, it will be helpful for you.
I'm
Let
already
me
a
understand.
teacher.
Let me explain you. Let me
Yeah.
explain.
Now, if we do not do this, like I'm quite apprehensive of putting my details on any particular website, even though it is a government approved website. I just wanted to know whether this is necessary. If it's not necessary, do we have to be?
No, it is mandate. Can you see here the word mandate?
Yeah, so what makes it mandatory? That's what I'm asking you.
See, as I told you, the UGC have made a policy. They wanted to make everybody aware. See, I'll tell you one thing for you to easily understand. For instance, now to get a job, okay, you will work on grades. Am I right? People look your grades, how much score you have done. If, for instance, if you want to apply for another course, for instance, you finish your B.Ed, now you
Right.
want to go for M.Ed. If you
Right.
want to apply for DU, Delhi University, they will
Right.
have cutoff marks either 99%, you should score either 99%, or else they might have 94, 95, 100, 100 also they have done once. So this is for your admission purpose.
Okay, so
The
I'm
moment you
asking you
start
if
doing
you
a
do
job,
not, right? I
when you
already have
start
a
doing your
job.
jobs, your marks will not be counted. Everything will become into points. For
Okay,
instance, if you want to go to Canada or if you want to get a government job, your points are calculated.
correct.
For instance, if you want to apply for the dual citizenship or permanent residence at Australia, I'm just giving an example. Your
Right.
points will be calculated and these courses will add on to your points. For instance, if you have done a 2 credit course, you might get 0.5 points. If you have done 4 credit course, you will get some amount of points. That is again different scoring pattern. That's a different thing.
Correct.
So these courses
Is it like they have to do only one course or multiple
can
courses
do
can also be done?
lifelong. This is an initiative for everybody to understand what MOOCs is. Now
Okay.
the world is changing. For instance, now if you see the abroad countries, their majority of the students are doing their PhDs also in sitting in front of computers. They don't have to go to a university. They don't have to spend travel expenses. They don't have to stay anywhere. Just online, they will sit here. They are doing courses and they are getting valid degree and they are getting good jobs. Government jobs, private companies, they are getting jobs because that is what the world is changing. This happened a significant impact of paradigm shift is seen because of the pandemic.
No, my question is, right now, I'm already doing a job. I've already done my master's. Now, how does this
I told you.
platform
it is
know,
acting
how does
in-
this platform know what I have done? Like, I will have to put in all my details. Is that right?
That is a government thing, no? Nothing will happen. That is why we are not asking you to go for any private companies. This is the only reason we are not asking you to
So
go to
this-
any private company.
Is
Because
this is this website going to help me in my B.Ed? That's all I want to know. Like,
it is mandate, madam. If you can see here, if you don't do it, you will not get the memo. Can't you
that
understand?
is what I'm saying. Only for one particular course, if I want to use it, that is okay, right? Like, I don't have to keep using this again and again. That is what I'm saying. If I
No,
want to,
see, I'll tell you. Now, for now, it is for you to finish the B.Ed. It is,
that's
you have
all.
to do.
Okay. Yeah, that is
But
what I wanted to
For
know.
instance, if you're going after your, yeah, like for instance, if you're doing a job, if
Right.
you want to upgrade yourself, at that time you will only do this MOOCs.
Okay. So this is going to be
It's
my
an
educational.
upgradation. See, for instance, you can't imagine, based on these MOOCs, your promotions will happen. And for me also, it is important. I also will do all these MOOCs ka courses if I want to have my, you know, if I want my salary to hike in the field of education.
Right.
If
Ma'am,
I-
can we do this after first sem exam?
Yes, you can do that. But by third semester and fourth semester, by the end of your B.Ed syllabus course, you should have 2 credit course in your hand.
Okay. Actually, we are busy right now. We have so many things. We have to go our kids to school to for uniform, for books and all, and
No,
our
whatever.
own
That
job
is
is
thoroughly your
yeah.
choice. Whenever
So
you feel like you can
yeah,
apply for
that's
that.
why I'm asking, and I have to save some time for my study also, and most important, ma'am.
All right. That's your choice. That's
Yes,
completely your
after 2
choice.
months we will get the 1 month break. That time we will do it now.
Yeah, you can. But let me finish how it is. It is not that
Ah,
easy.
oh
Because
yeah, ma'am.
this Swayam course, when it is so valid all over the world, it has its own norms, it has its own structure. Now, after understanding that how important MOOCs is for your completion of B.Ed course, now you understood it is important for you to complete your B.Ed course because it is
Got it.
important. It carries some credit. So you
Okay,
have to go for,
understood, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
So, ma'am, another question. Do I have to do a Swayam course to complete my B.Ed?
Yes, you have to.
Is this an additional add-on after we join the B.Ed course?
No, there is a change of syllabus from your time, from your batch.
So
So
this
I don't
is an
know. which
add-on,
we
like you
belong to, I
have
don't know.
to
We can
compulsion to do
say
this
that.
to complete your
Yes,
B.Ed.
ma'am.
So this is
Speak again.
basically an add-on to your B.Ed course. Like we have to do this to be able to finish the B.Ed course and get the memo.
Yes. See, in 2023, there was a change of syllabus. Because, do you know about NEP 2020?
Yes, ma'am.
So there you can find that they are talking about this. So that thing is because the whole curriculum is based on NEP 2020. Because of which now MOOCs is compulsory for you to do so that you can get your B.Ed degree. If you don't do it, your degree will be at halt. The moment you finish and submit your certificate, you can proceed with your B.Ed degree. Because as you see here, the clause is, it is mandatory and reflected in memo, not included in total score or marks. Students can add them to their academic bank of credits. If you are able to understand English, this sentence is completely self-explanatory. Am I right?
Yeah.
Right.
So,
now-
ma'am, while we are doing our B.Ed, we can also do this, or do we have to like finish one particular semester's exam and then do this?
See, it's not like that. As I told you, now first year student, she is there.
Right.
She can apply now because this course will take minimum 6 to 7 months of time or sometimes 8 months of time to finish. For instance, if you have applied in the semester 1, it might take you till a complete year because it has exams. Now,
Online.
after this, I will explain you. Till now,
Okay.
it is clear. You have to do it this at any point of your B.Ed course. Either it could be semester 1, 2, or 3. But it is always better that if you could do it from semester 1 or semester 3. If you do it by semester 4, again, it will be a problem for you because you also have to have exams. You have to write the exams. And that course has to finish in that stipulated period of time. In the sem 4 में आपका खत्म हो जाना चाहिए. So that is the reason they have kept it in, clearly, either it is semester 3 or 4, you have to do it.
तो अभी
But
मैं
now-
first semester में हूँ मैम, so अभी it's better for me to apply now.
हाँ, आप अप्लाई कर सकते हो. सेमेस्टर 1 में भी अप्लाई कर सकते हो आप, सेमेस्टर 2 में भी कर सकते हो. जैसा कि मैंने बोला, अभी उसकी कहानी समझाऊंगी मैं आपको. इसमें
ठीक
थोड़ा सा कहानी में थोड़ा सा ट्विस्ट है. देयर इज अ ट्विस्ट हियर. नाउ लेट अस गो टू दिस इज क्लियर फॉर यू नाउ. Now let us log in now. Let us log in through my Google account. All right, so I'm logging in. After I get logged in, यहाँ पर आप देख सकोगे you have all the courses here. Okay. There are, and one more thing, always remember that you have to do those courses which are suitable or accepted in the teacher education. Got it? Only you have to do teacher education courses. Now, if you could see here in the user interface, you can find upcoming courses and ongoing courses. But enrollment is closed. These are the ongoing courses. But see, the beauty of this Swayam is they will provide you all the learning material free of cost. But for examination, you have to pay a fee. And then you can apply, go for exam. They will provide you, they will give you they will give you an allowance where you can select your own center, because they have center all over India. And according wherever your nearest center will be, you can select that center and go and write the examination. But now we'll go later with the examination. Now let us see. Now this is enrollments are closed, but these are the courses which are going on. If you want to upgrade yourself with knowledge, you can go with this. But now, for instance, now you are saying that I'm having time constraint, I'm like little busy and all. So now if you see here, they have written like adolescent nutrition belongs to NIN. Advanced C++ belongs to IIT. Ancient Indian management belongs to business school.
Ma'am, again, when will this enrollment will start?
It is going on, see, upcoming. You have to see that. Upcoming, you have
Okay.
to check all the courses which are there. And you only have to apply to those courses which are teacher education based.
Ma'am, what will be the category, ma'am? Teacher education only or any other thing?
Teacher education only. As you can see, I told you, national NIN का है, nutrition को
No,
जाएगा.
I'm seeing one school is there, then annual refresher program in teaching is also there.
No,
So-
refresher. I told you, no refresher courses. You can't imagine. One of my student is, she was actually working and she was.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, which two courses are applicable for the teachers?
You will have you will have it here. If you can see here, nutrition का अलग रहेगा, technology का अलग रहेगा. You have to see which department it belongs to. And also see the title of the course. Title में
Ma'am, is it
engineering आएगा.
compulsory?
Huh?
Compulsory to do two courses?
Only one.
Only one is enough, right?
One is
For the
enough.
whole year?
For the whole B.Ed, one is enough, but it should be
Okay, ma'am.
2 credit course.
Okay. Can you explain that 2 credit course, how we have to do it?
Yeah, I'm just searching for more courses related to teacher education. I'm unable to find. So what I will do is I will search here,
मैम कैसे पता चलेगा ये टीचर कोर्स के लिए है?
हमें डाल रही हूँ, देखिए मैं ऐसे सर्च कर रही हूँ टीचर एजुकेशन के लिए. देखिए टीचर एजुकेशन के लिए ये 4 कोर्सेस आए हैं. देखिए मैं यहाँ पर सर्च करी हूँ, आई हैव सर्च हियर टीचर एजुकेशन, इंट्रोडक्शन टू ऑनलाइन लर्निंग, मीडिया इंफॉर्मेशन लिटरेसी, माइंड एजुकेशन, research ethics using research, vocational yoga teacher training. So these are the courses. So these are provided by different portals. IGNOU is providing, AICT is providing, and iOS is providing. So it's completely your choice what you want to do.
So ma'am, basically 5 courses are there, which teachers can opt for, right?
As of now, it keeps on
Yeah.
changing, and if this course is gone, it might not come again.
Okay, ma'am.
Madam, how do we know whether it's a 2 credit course or not?
Now,
Where is
if
it
you
written?
click here, now let us see how many credit it is providing. Usually they'll provide course type. Credits are not available. Just a self-paced this thing. यहाँ पर लिखे देखिए credit points 1. For that it was not there. Can you see here?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am, we can see,
yes.
but can you suggest us for teacher?
No, I will tell you, don't worry about that. Even I have to search a lot, it's not so easy for us to also get it.
So ma'am, that means choice is very limited.
Very
Only we have
limited
5.
and
Yeah.
yes.
Only
and,
5 courses were coming for the teachers, and in that also, if 1 credit course, we can
yes,
opt
you
for it,
cannot
right?
opt for true. You have to
Yes.
opt at least for 2 credit course.
Madam, I have a doubt. This is an elective over here, and it's given 2 credits for both. One is for MOCS and the other one is for the elective. Both put together, it will be 2 credits, no, ma'am?
No. That is different. And this is different. और इस टीचर एजुकेशन हटा के हम था सिर्फ एजुकेशन डालें।
मैम आप ये
Excuse
कह रहे
me,
हैं
ma'am.
कि एक ही कोर्स में 2 क्रेडिट होना चाहिए ना?
जी,
मैम आप ये कह रहे हैं कि एक ही कोर्स में 2 क्रेडिट होना चाहिए, राइट?
एक ही कोर्स में 2 क्रेडिट होना चाहिए, बट ऐसे क्रेडिट का मिल ही नहीं
एक्सक्यूज
रहा
मैम,
है।
ऐसे अपन ये पूरा वीडियो देखने से 2 क्रेडिट आ जाएंगे क्या?
हाँ, आपको ऐसा नहीं होगा। अभी मैं समझाऊंगी वो। मैं एक्चुअली 2 क्रेडिट कोर्स सर्च कर रही हूँ, मुझे मिल नहीं रहा है। So
Ma'am,
let me just-
while you are scrolling down, I have seen one course on critical thinking.
क्लिनिकल,
Critical thinking.
हाँ क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग का भी अच्छा है।
Yeah, can I
Okay.
do that? Like if I'm interested
कहाँ
in it?
पर है वो? कहाँ पर है बताइए आप मुझे।
Like on the main, desktop, like when you opened the portal, and
हाँ
in
यहाँ
the
पर है।
enrollment thing.
यस,
Yeah.
यहाँ पर क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग में it is not 2 credit course, it's a self paced,
Okay.
तो वो हम नहीं ले पाएंगे।
मैम स्टूडेंट
Okay,
साइकोलॉजी
but
मैडम
if
यू
I'm
कैन चेक।
interested, can I do it?
जी,
If I'm
Hello?
interested,
yeah, you can do it.
irrespective of the credit.
Irrespective of वो आपके में बोली ना, आप जितने कोर्सेज करोगे स्वयं से आपको गवर्नमेंट जॉब के लिए आसान होगा, और आपको
Okay.
इनफैक्ट आपके लिए अगर आप अब्रॉड जाओगे तो आप आपके ये कोर्स डालोगे तो उसके आपका स्कोरिंग अलग होगा। यू विल गेट पॉइंट्स फॉर दिस। अब हमारी
Oh.
जिंदगी जब हम प्रोफेशनल हो जाते हैं, हमारी पूरी जिंदगी पॉइंट्स पे चलेगी।
Okay.
Ma'am,
हम
does
जब
it have
स्टूडेंट
any
रहेंगे
fees?
हमारे मार्क्स पे चलेगी। इफ
Okay.
यू आर अ
Ma'am,
स्टूडेंट,
I
हाँ
have one request. Like, can you send a screenshot of these things and make one Word file, how to register, how to see and all for the
it is nothing. It
Digi.
is you can have again, you can just go to YouTube like ask how to apply
Yeah.
for Swayam course.
Okay.
Swayam Central.
So it will start with telling about
Government
the
Complete
DigiLocker thing
procedure it will
only.
say.
Okay.
Sign in. நான் already
Fine,
அதுல
ma'am. Yeah.
sign in
Thank you
பண்ணிட்டேன்.
so much.
You already signed it.
இல்ல நான் என்னோட இது
You
வாங்கியிருக்கேன்ல.
can easily go and you can
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Excuse
Okay.
me, ma'am. Actually, I joined very late because of a network
Ah,
issue. I could
No
not hear
issues.
you properly.
You will get your recording. Don't worry.
Google
No,
don't
ma'am.
worry.
Actually, you started with ABC card, na. So first, we need to go for DigiLocker. Something you are showing. What is that?
That is, you have to create one in your ID.
Ha.
That is ABC ID. then you can
Okay.
enroll yourself into Swayam courses.
Okay, ma'am.
See, if
So,
you can see here, you can see the complete understanding of how you can go for.
can you share this like how to go and all this in
Yeah, actually, it's on YouTube, ma. Everything is there on YouTube. Just ask, it will tell you. See, as you can see here, if you want, I can play this video. If you want to listen, it is 13 minutes video. If you want to listen, complete idea you will get.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Please share this ID, ma'am.
Yes,
Sorry,
I will
link,
share it.
link.
Share this
Actually,
link to
link.
sir. Yeah, I
Link.
will do that. I'll do that.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
Ma'am,
So,
one doubt, ma'am.
yeah.
Ma'am, these Swayam courses, is there any fees attached to it or is it free, ma'am?
Yeah, I told you now. The whole material is free of cost. Let me just finish this, okay? I'll go there later. Now let me show you a $cent wala only so that you can understand. This is also not credit course. 2 credit course का code देखेंगे.
मैम तो ये कोर्स कितने टाइम के लिए होता है मैम? इट इज लाइक फॉर 3 months or 4 months? हाउ मेनी
यहाँ पर
मंथ्स?
देखिए 2 क्रेडिट कोर्स है और यहाँ पर आपको वीक्स दे देते कितने वीक्स का है ये. एप्लीकेशन ऑफ GeoGebra. ओके. अंडर ग्रेजुएशन एंड पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन का रहेगा. क्लिक हियर टू ब्रोशर. अगर आप ब्रोशर देखोगे यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं कि you have also workshops, forums, everything is available. कितने वीक्स में खत्म होगा वो लिखा हुआ नहीं है यहाँ पर. यूजुअली लिखा हुआ रहता है. सो हाउ टू अप्लाई. अपन अप्लाई करेंगे,
Ma'am,
ज्वाइन करेंगे तो हमको
we
पता चल
can
जाएगा.
use the
Let us see.
filters. We can use the filters on the left-hand side on the main page, I think. Main page पे filters हैं.
है filters कहाँ पर है?
On the left, you have that selection
Filters.
options.
Okay. That is organizations. These are
No, the next one, ma'am, like it also has
course
some,
duration. 4 weeks you can go for. 4 weeks is
then
equivalent
we
to 2
have,
credit course.
yeah, credit option is also there in filters.
Yes. So you can also go for your exam date. Exam date भी आप set कर सकते. Categories में
And course mode is also there, whether you want to
teacher education,
course mode.
regular या self paced अच्छा रहेगा. And examination date, category, credits तो नहीं दिख रहा यहाँ पर, है ना? तो
Credits नहीं दिखा रहा है
course
ma'am,
credit,
लेकिन I think
yes. Course credit is yes and no.
yeah, if we
तो
put it,
इसमें credits are there, but यहाँ पर mention नहीं किया हुआ है credits.
It's self-paced, ma'am.
सेल्फ पेस्ड है पर क्रेडिट्स नहीं है तो थोड़ा सा मुझे डाउट हो रहा है. हम ज्वाइन करके देखेंगे इसको. इफ इट हैज क्रेडिट्स देन इट इज ओके. चलिए मैं अपना डिटेल्स डालती हूँ. ईमेल आईडी, माई पूरा भरना है अपने को. आ गया देखो. Delivery last minute 2000 में किया. यहाँ पर बता रहा है वो मैं नहीं डाल रही हूँ बट यू हैव टू पुट. अगर डालोगे तो इजी आपका हो जाएगा. डाल लूं क्या? क्योंकि एक ही बार आप फिल कर बाद में एडिट कर सकते हैं. ओके. यस.
Ma'am, why is it asking college name?
वो मुझे सेंटर मैं फैकल्टी बोल के
Okay,
डाली
okay.
ना, मैं फैकल्टी बोल के डाली तो मुझे ये बता रहे कि तुम्हारा कॉलेज है क्या, चैप्टर में है क्या, एंड उसके तो हमारा
Okay.
कॉलेज है, तो मैं वो सब डिटेल्स डाली। ठीक है, अब ये 4 वीक्स का कोर्स है। यहाँ पर अगर आप देखोगे क्रेडिट्स नहीं बता रहा इसमें, आई एम लिटिल एप्रीहेंड अबाउट इट, क्योंकि अगर क्रेडिट्स नहीं बता रहा वो तो आपको ट्रांसफर करना मुश्किल हो जाएगा। ऑलराइट, यहाँ पर हम देखेंगे ये पूरे एग्जाम्स जो होते हैं नेशनल टेस्टिंग एजेंसी से होते हैं, एनटीए की तरफ से होते हैं।
Ma'am, when will get this course, ma'am?
हाँ,
Because it is for me it's coming that introduction to online learning, media and information mind education.
कोई बात नहीं, वो आप अपने आप वो करें, सो that is your, you think you have applied for that. So let me just finish this. See, now if you can see here, interested candidate may go through the Swayam information during, and this is from March 2024 to April 2024, and also pay the application fee through designated banks and payment gateways. You have to pay for your exam fees. See, one thing you have to remember, that they have all these modules given to you. Okay, and in between they will ask you for any what do you say, let me just show you. Ye kar liye na apan, if we have filled, no, we will go with this all courses, we will see all courses mein school lenge if we have anything. No. So now if we can see here,
We cannot see your screen.
you can't see my screen. Okay, just let me share my whole screen. Now let us understand this one only, so that you can see. So 4 weeks ka it is 1 credit course. For 8 weeks it might be 2 credit course. Let me just see. Yeah, 8 weeks means 2 credit course. 4 weeks means 1 credit course. Now let me just apply to this only, so that I can explain you once what it is. It's an upcoming course. I have to apply. All my details are there. I agree, update my profile. I have filled once, it will update. After updating, see, thank you for registering. We hope the things that are there here is, the first important thing is you will get the whole complete what you say, complete module. Okay, all the modules will be available. But you know what you have to do is, you have this assignments in between. You have to do your assignments. See, in this Swayam course, very important part is your assignments. If you are not doing your assignments, for instance, I'll give you one example here. One student have even applied for exam, but she was unable to submit the assignments and quiz. What happened? She passed. She got good marks. But what happened here is, she did not get a certificate. Why she didn't get a certificate? Because her internal assessment was not complete. So for this reason, I always suggest the students that always go with group. Never do any course all alone. Never do any course all alone, because you might forget when you have to submit the assignment. If you are doing in group, your friends will will have a discussion. We can, have a, understanding of the course also easily. So if you do it in groups, no, things will be very much better. So always I request you all to go with groups and study properly and submit your assignments and quiz in time. And they will only provide you let us see once here if it is there. Ongoing mein, they might have this submissions. Okay, submissions ka. It's not showing here because it is already.
Ma'am,
Yeah. They will give you a date for submitting the things also.
ma'am, if we have 8-week course, we have to wait for 8 weeks and then only write exam.
Yeah, you have this option, no? After 8 weeks only, you have to apply for examination date. You have that option, no?
Ma'am, assignment is different from quiz, ma'am. Otherwise, quiz
Assignments
itself
are
is
different
assignment.
and quiz is different.
Assignment, how, ma'am?
Assignment, it is not showing here. I don't know why. Because they have changed the interface a little more. So there the problem is.
Ma'am, exams are online or offline?
Offline. As I told you, you have to select your center, nearby center of your area, as I have selected my college. So that will be my center for exam. So whenever there is NPTEL, whenever this SYM exam is going on, I can go and write the exam there. So it's up to you, your choice. You can select your own center for exam. But
Ma'am,
it is
it will become difficult, ma'am. Year-wise, we have 2 semester exam, then we have to submit the assignment, and again,
yeah,
with
it is like,
new
yes,
course. How much
it is.
holiday they will give me, ma'am? They will not allow. We are already working somewhere.
I know. See, whatever it is, you have to, it is mandatory for you to finish this course.
Ma'am, how many credits do we need to finish it off, ma'am?
2 credit, which means 8 weeks course.
Ma'am, one more thing, actually, right now I'm associated with one organization. So can you share the University of Grand Commission's that PDF details, mean notification that because before doing any course, we need to inform our management. So if
Yeah. This syllabus copy, we will share it to you. Now, you don't worry, you will get the whole document.
Okay, because after that only we can apply
Yeah.
the green signals.
Yeah. You can. We will give you, don't worry. Education courses. NIOS and NCRT are the places where you can get the courses here. So
No. Okay.
the same thing they are showing. So very few courses are there as of now for teacher education.
So ma'am, as you said, do it in group. So
Yeah.
when we are doing it in the group, can we make the assignments like?
See, assignments will be very easy. You
So
just
we have to do
do it Word
individual
document.
assignments or group assignments only, ma'am?
See, individual assignment.
Okay.
And it will be a Word document. You have to just
Right, type one only, right, ma'am?
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah.
So I'm just trying to previously we used to get easily all the things, but now it is not showing. They have changed a lot because the problem was before people would apply, but see here. Online submission of application is 28th April. Successful transaction of fee 19th April. And this correction in particulars, see they have given all the details here. See, week 1, you have to go through this. You have a quiz here. See? You have a quiz. Already it is given. You have to fill that quiz. Then in the second week, you don't have any assignments. Third week, you have a quiz. Fourth week, again videos. Yes, 6th week, you have this descriptive and objective type passment, rubrics. Okay. These are again videos. Week 7th, you have
We have to follow each week and do the quizzes, ma'am. All at a time we can do.
yes. Then you have a final quiz. So
Oh
this
my
course
God.
is only providing you quizzes because it is not a credit course. If you could see here, it is
Excuse
just,
me, ma'am.
yeah.
Excuse me, ma'am. So I'm seeing mentoring and counseling skills for teachers. This is our ongoing course. It's showing the duration till April, and its credits are 3. And this is for teacher education. So when
Ongoing,
should I
Meena, you
start?
cannot
I want to
join.
join.
No, you cannot join. No, ongoing this. Enrollments are
That's why,
closed.
ma'am, I want closed. It will open again.
No, it will
Will
not
it open again?
It will not open. Some
So
other
once
course
the
will be applied again. Some other course they
So-
will give.
No, ma'am, after April, I'm asking. Anyway, the time duration is there, right? I'm a
See,
first
it is
semester
again up
student.
to the government if they want to keep the course. If the course has got good, students who have applied and all, then they will again have a second batch. It depends. They might
They
have
will
one
not
batch only.
continue again. The
Yeah, it
same
might be
course
continued
for
or it might not
other
be
students.
continued. There is no certainty. Got it? So there is no certainty. It is still uncertain. They can have 2 batches or they can have only 1 batch or 4 batches. Depends on the audience. This thing up. How many audience have applied for that.
Okay, ma'am.
So now
After
this is
April
clear.
also once.
Yeah. After April.
After April, if the course is available, I can join this course.
Yeah, if it is available, it won't be available until the exams are finished. I told you, it takes again 1 year or some time like
Okay,
that.
ma'am. Okay, because I have a time. Oh,
Then
okay, ma'am.
for,
Okay, I got it.
Ma'am, under filters, national coordinator, we can give NIOS, ma'am, or how to search, ma'am?
Yeah, here only if you can search here, you will get it. But there are very less courses as of now. So when the courses comes, we will let you know if that is the case.
Okay.
Or else you can go for even psychology courses. Psychology, language courses.
Then some courses on math and science are there. That also we can do.
This is very huge course. This is secondary level course NIOS ka. So you can just community psychology is there, it seems. Let's see. This is a 4 credit course. You can enroll this now. Or I think so it's ongoing.
Ma'am, one secondary maths is there from NIOS. Can that be done, ma'am?
That will be for 24 weeks, ma. Too much it will be for you. NIOS is like intermediate level. After that, you can easily go for a government job. You can apply for a government job. That will be a little tough for you. It will be 2 years course. So don't go for such a huge course. Just go for 10 weeks, 8 weeks, more than enough. See, some of them are ongoing courses, so you might not get a chance to enroll it. You can also go for language courses. Language courses, English language or any Urdu language. Let us go for Urdu language. This is an ongoing course. You cannot apply for it now. Got it? Now see, exam shifts. They will also mention exam shift, exam date, enrollment ending. Everything is written here. Got it? So this is something, the exam date is subjected to change based on seat availability. You can check final exam date on your hall ticket. All right. So it's a huge course, 16 weeks का course it is. 8 credit course it is.
Ma'am, doubt is no.
Yeah, tell me.
This one which you're saying is language course. This language course cannot be used for teaching education. Right?
Say it again. It's very difficult for me to understand, Anita.
This course, this language course,
Okay.
it is not related to our BA or teaching.
No, you can because your methodology is there, no? I'm just telling you. Like for
Methodology.
English, you can
Okay.
go for English. English courses you can go for based upon your this thing. See, English grammar for employability. It's an upcoming course. It's a 1 credit course, but you have
So
to
you
go.
can choose course according to our methodology.
Yeah, based upon your methodology also you can choose. Based on your, you also have ICT courses.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
But as you said, we need to do that credit 2 वाला जो जिसमें है
Yes.
वो we need
वही
to do.
करना है आपको 2 क्रेडिट वाला ही करना है बट आप आपके सब्जेक्ट भी ले सकते हो जैसा कि AI टूल्स के ऊपर भी आप कर सकते हो कोर्स है ना AI टूल्स के ऊपर
बट
कर सकते हो
उसमें जैसे कि 1 क्रेडिट है होगा तो फिर क्या फायदा?
नहीं कर सकते आपको 2 चाहिए 2 क्रेडिट मिनिमम रहना है
हाँ, that's what.
हाँ अगर आपको तेलुगु का करना है कुछ तेलुगु लैंग्वेज सीखना है तो तेलुगु के लिए भी आप
Suppose I want to do on English because my second one is English.
हाँ you
So can I go with that?
yeah you can go with English या तेलुगु और फिजिक्स के ऊपर आप कर सकते something which is related to teacher education जैसे कि आपकी
Okay.
मेथोडोलॉजीज है आपका चॉइस आप कर सकते हैं वैसे
Like my method is social studies and English. Second one is second
आप
methodology
उर्दू
is
लैंग्वेज
English.
आपको तेलुगु लैंग्वेज सीख सकते हैं हिंदी का कर सकते हैं आप है ना हिंदी लैंग्वेज
So
के
how
ऊपर
I will be beneficial for that if I will go with
yes
Hindi?
it will be good for you इंजीनियरिंग मैथमेटिक्स
Beneficial
से
क्या
पूरा
होगा उसमें?
आपको 2 क्रेडिट कोर्स ट्रांसफर हो जाएंगे क्योंकि आप लैंग्वेज मेथोडोलॉजी के बेस पे करें ना आपको ट्रांसफर हो सकते हैं
नहीं, मेरा मेथोडोलॉजी सोशल स्टडीज है और इंग्लिश है मैम.
हाँ बाबा अगर आपको कोई थर्ड मेथोडोलॉजी भी करना हो जैसे कि आपने हिंदी अगर आप इंटरमीडिएट हिंदी का इंटरमीडिएट करके हो आप है ना कुछ लोग डबल इंटरमीडिएट करके होते हैं सो यू कैन अप्लाई फॉर अनदर हिंदी कोर्स इफ यू आर गुड इन मैथमेटिक्स फॉर एग्जांपल बीकॉम के स्टूडेंट्स है वो लोग
हाँ
सोशल
हाँ
मेथोडोलॉजी करते पर वो लोग मैथ्स में बहुत अच्छे होते हैं बीकॉम स्टैंड्स फॉर कमर्शियल मैथमेटिक्स
यस.
है ना अगर उनको मैथ्स फील्ड में जाना हो तो ये कोर्स कर सकते अपना खुद का पूरा करियर चेंज कर
करे
सकते
तो मतलब इन स्कूल फील्ड में क्या फायदा है मैम?
फायदा ये होगा कि आप बताओगे कि मैं मैथ्स में ये सब्जेक्ट करके हूँ तो अब मैं मैथ्स पढ़ा सकती हूँ वैसे भी मैथ्स पढ़ा सकते हैं बीकॉम के स्टूडेंट्स
Ma'am, credit from where we to find out, ma'am, what does the credit
मैं बोली ना आपको 4 वीक्स रहेगा तो 1 क्रेडिट 8 वीक्स रहेगा तो 2 क्रेडिट 10 वीक्स रहेगा 10 या 12 वीक्स रहेगा तो 4 क्रेडिट वहां पर लिखा हुआ है ऐसा लिखा हुआ रहता है इफ यू क्लिक हियर
Yes.
आपको पता चल जाएगा
Yes.
गॉट इट इसमें इंपॉर्टेंट चीजें क्या है बताइए रजिस्ट्रेशन टाइम पर रजिस्ट्रेशन करना है और अगर वो लोग
कब है मैम? कब है रजिस्ट्रेशन
वो
का इसका?
रजिस्ट्रेशन हर टाइम अलग अलग आते रहेंगे कोर्स आपको
अभी जैसे कि
हमेशा
मैम हमने एबीसी कार्ड बना लिया डिजी लॉकर में उसके बाद ये स्वयं में हम ट्राई करते रहेंगे क्या? चेक करना चाहिए क्या
हाँ
कब
आप चेक
ओपन?
करते रहिए आप चेक
एवरी
करते
वीक.
रहोगे तो बेटर रहेगा और
अच्छा.
दूसरा चीज है रजिस्ट्रेशन हो गया आपका और आप अगर बेस्ड अपॉन योर क्रेडिट मिनिमम 2 क्रेडिट कोर्स रखना है आपको अगर
Yes.
4 क्रेडिट भी है तो वेल एंड गुड आपकी चॉइस है वो
मैम एक्सक्यूज मी मैम जैसे कि हम पेमेंट करेंगे थ्रू ऑनलाइन कैसे पता चलेगा कि वो वैलिड है इनवैलिड है आजकल जैसे आज यू सेड
अभी
कि
आपको
सो मेनी
डिटेल्स आप जैसे ओपन करोगे आपको पूरे डिटेल्स मिल जाएंगे वैलिड ही रहेगा वो
क्योंकि सो मेनी कंपनीज ना फ्रॉड कंपनीज भी है तो उसमें से कौन सा?
नहीं ये वाला तो बहुत ही ऑथेंटिक रहेगा यहाँ पर आप दिख रहा है क्रेडिट पॉइंट्स भी लिखे हुए हैं कैटेगरी मैथमेटिक्स है ये वाला भी अप्लाई कर सकते हैं आप इफ यू आर सोशल बीकॉम अगर आप बीकॉम के स्टूडेंट हो तो जियोजेब्रा आपके लिए सोशल प्लस मैथमेटिक्स दोनों के लिए काम आएगा बट आई डोंट थिंक सो ये आपके लिए बेटर रहेगा ये 12th
मैम
standard अब आपके लिए है।
वो मैथमेटिक्स का
one small doubt.
मेथोडोलॉजी है मैम, जियोजेब्रा कर सकते हैं क्या?
नहीं, मुझे नहीं लगता, मुझे थोड़ा सा डाउट है इस पे।
So as
Excuse
a
me,
commerce
ma'am. Basically,
student,
I'm
what
a
will be best? What will be the best as a commerce student?
कॉमर्स स्टूडेंट्स आप कॉमर्स स्टूडेंट्स थोड़ा अवॉइड ही करें, क्योंकि ना वो लोग उतना एक्सेप्ट नहीं करेंगे बीएड के उसमें। बाद में आप कर सकते हैं इफ यू वांट अ गवर्नमेंट जॉब या कुछ, अगर आपको बाहर के लिए कुछ जॉब चाहिए या कहीं यहाँ पर के लिए चाहिए
तो अभी इसमें कौन सा वाला अप्लाई करना है
आप बस
हमको?
इतना अप्लाई करिए कि जहाँ पर आप लैंग्वेजेस सीख सको, आईसीटी के बेस पर है या साइकोलॉजी के बेस पर है, तो वैसे वाले कोर्सेज करिए आप।
Hello,
Excuse me,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Excuse me,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
plus is
I have
okay.
Excuse me.
Ma'am, I'm
जी
Ma'am, for maths methodology, which one can we do?
again you have to search. Again, it should be having some mathematic pedagogy based.
Okay. Can we do ICT?
Yeah, you can go for ICT if you have it. I don't think so ICT का है कोई course.
It's there, ma'am. When you searched, 2 to 3 programs came.
ICT वो ongoing programs है वो।
Okay.
ICT का
Excuse me,
ये
ma'am.
हाँ
Basically, I'm a
पीस
computer
ये भी पीस वाला आप भी कर सकते हैं, आप पीस एंड कॉन्फ्लिक्ट मैनेजमेंट वाला भी कर सकते हैं, बट इसका क्रेडिट्स नहीं मेंशन किए हुए हैं, सो
Yeah.
डोंट गो फॉर दैट।
Okay.
है ना?
Ma'am, C++ having starting from 29th April. So
हाँ,
shall we
बट
do
वो
that?
आई डोंट थिंक सो आपको बेनिफिट रहेगा।
Okay.
आपको बेनिफिट रहेगा बट आपके वो बीएड में एक्सेप्ट करेंगे नहीं करेंगे पता नहीं मुझे।
Ma'am, how do we know which course is good for us?
यहाँ पर क्रेडिट देखो, आप यहाँ पर अगर क्रेडिट लिखा हुआ है, यहाँ पर नहीं है तो मैं इससे बैक चले जा रही हूँ।
Okay.
है ना? अगर आपको यहाँ पर क्रेडिट लिखा हुआ है तो तब आप करिए, अगर नहीं है तो थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट हो जाएगा हमारे लिए, तुम्हारे आपके लिए, क्योंकि आपको फिर क्रेडिट्स नहीं मिलेंगे तो फिर वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम रहेगा।
मैम एक डाउट है
Excuse
मैम,
me,
जैसे
ma'am.
अगर
Small.
कोई हमें कोई कोर्स मिल जाता है और
हाँ।
वो उसकी डेट है 1 वीक,
अगर
जैसा आप
हमें
बोल रहे हैं कि उसका हमें कोई कोर्स मिल जाता है और उसकी कोई डेट है, जैसे 1 वीक में आपने बोला कोई
Excuse me,
क्विज
ma'am.
है,
I have a
तो
question.
जी
I am
Already 7 months it's going on, and there is no information regarding B.Ed first semester. Can you please tell me when it will commence?
semester 1, we are now in semester 2. Which year you have joined in?
Ma'am, we are
Last
semester
year.
1 students, ma'am.
Dear students, madam, kindly wind up the kindly class you take, end of the section, whatever you want, you can kindly ask the doubts. End
Okay,
of the
got it.
class, I will also admin part, I will clarify.
Okay, done, sir.
First content wise, kindly do the
Yes.
needful.
So now
This is common for both semester 1 and semester 2, I guess.
Yeah,
it is
1, 2,
common
3,
for
4,
all.
all the semesters. First listen your content, end of the section, whatever you have a doubts, point wise clarity will be issued.
So, will you give us some kind of documents where all the points will be written also? Because
Yeah,
I
we
may
will
or may
say.
not.
Sir will
Madam,
share
what
to you.
I'm asking is kindly listen the class, end of the class, whatever you have a doubts, we will clarify immediately.
All right. So now,
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, one small doubt. Actually, I am a computer science student, BSc computer science. So, shall I take like a Java course, C++?
no, I
Will
will
it
let
help
you know
for
about
B.Ed?
that, because I'm also not sure of these courses, because
Okay.
some courses might not be accepted at B.Ed level.
Now the
So
course
I will
they
just
have to take
yeah,
teacher training related or
yeah, teacher
uh,
training related courses only you have to take.
and
If
the
you take some
introduction
other
computers
course,
is allowed, madam.
huh?
Yeah, yes,
Introduction
ma'am.
to
But
computers is allowed.
Allowed? Okay. And
Introduction to
sir, this
computers.
conflict management, peace education, is it allowed?
Madam, it is allowed. 2 credits is required.
2 credit is required. See, these courses doesn't have
sir,
any
will you
credit.
share that information?
No, we
Because
will
I'm a
share you
computer
the
science
programs.
student.
Don't worry, we will share you the programs. Now you just listen what you
Okay.
have to do. See, now is it
Okay,
clear?
ma'am.
You
Okay.
made an ABC account. You know
How
that
to
every
attempt the
course-
exam, kindly listen. Automatically after joining the MOOCs, automatically you will get the direction. It is available on the YouTube also. We are giving the preliminary information, what are the steps you have to follow.
Yeah.
Okay,
So
sir.
now,
Okay.
now you came to know ABC account you have created. You have logged in with the ABC account in your Swayam portal. Now you have to search for a 2 credit course and apply for that, which is again related to teacher education. And when you have applied for this course, you have to write assignment and quiz. If you are not doing that, you will not get a certificate. You just remember this. Clear? Now we will end this topic here. And also, I will talk to sir. We will also decide some courses and we will give you a list of courses in which you can apply. And you can, we will send you the links. I'll make a document where, I will consult sir, and accordingly, we will make a document where you have all the courses. You can just click that link and log in, and then you can apply for those courses.
Yes, it would be best.
As we are having a lot of confusion which course to take,
Course. Yes.
which course to take, so I will consult with sir and the faculty from university also, and we will try to understand which courses are better for you all. All right.
Yes, yes,
Now
ma'am.
you know
Yes,
what
ma'am.
you have
Thank
to
you.
do if you have applied to the course. That thing is clear, and which course to do, we will discuss and we will let you know.
Yes.
Now this part is
Thank you, ma'am.
finished. Yeah, this part is finished. I'll move on to the next part. The next part is the dissertation part, which is again, it is a 2 credit course. It has 50 marks. And it is one of the very fundamental aspect that you have to finish in the last semester 4. The students who are in SEM 4, please open your ears and please be very attentive and understand what it is and how you have to go about in this. Now, when you see here dissertation, let us go to the last page, that it is there written. Yeah. All right. So if you see here dissertation, it is a kind of a research work that you would do, a systematic research work you have to do, so that you can understand what research is, what is the research methodological procedures, understanding basically what is the theoretical part, how you do and all that. So basically this is a complete research work that you have to do. After finishing your research work, you have to make a thesis. I'm sure you might have seen that research work, project work books you might have seen. Have you seen any research work thesis book? If not, I will show it to you on internet. Yeah, if you might have seen such documents, such books. You might have seen such books, right? Thesis wala books.
And these are written, we need to write or do we need to take a
You
print
need
out?
type. You have to type. See, can you see here? The black color wala. This is for PhD. I'm just giving an example. See?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Just an example.
Yeah.
Okay. So here, what you have to do is, you have to make such book there, and for that book, what are the things that are required? Let us understand that. First will be your title page, as you have seen here. It is a title page. Complete description is here written. All this will be provided from the college. The preliminary pages, that is title page, certificate, declaration, acknowledgement, you have to write, table of content. These 3 things will be provided by the college. The rest of the things you will have to do that, because here you have to make your own acknowledgement, table of content, table of figures, abstract, 200, these many words it should be there, and 4 to 5 keywords, full report and chapterization. So the chapter 1, because it has 5 chapters in it. So chapter 1 has introduction. In the introduction, you have to talk about the topic under which whatever the topic you're studying, needs and significance of the study, problem statement and rationale of it, objectives, operational definitions, and study delimitation shall be presented here. Delimitation, the internal part, what are the limitations you are doing, you have to write that. Okay, operational definitions, again, they will be, I will show you one example and I'll explain you. First, you understand what it is. Introduction part will have these things: need and significance, problem statement, objectives, operational definition, and delimitation. In the chapter 2, you will have Review of related literature. In this, you have to do review from different sources, and like you have to do the review and mention the review in the APA format. See how you can see here, one example is given here. Indian studies and foreign studies shall be presented separately. Review shall be mentioned precisely, including author's name. Here they have given the format. You have to include author name, year of publication, study title and main aim of the study, research method, sample and tools of the study, and major findings. In this way, you will go with the references. And this reference method is called as APA format. American Psychological Association. In that format, you have to write. The example they have given here, you have the name of the authors, year is mentioned, title of the research is given, what is the study is aiming for, what is the sample what they have done, conducted on how many people, and what kind of a tool they have used, what is the analysis method they have followed, and what is the major findings they have. So this is how you do a review. So you have to do around at least, at your level, 40 to 50 reviews you have to do. Now, when you go for chapter 3, it has methodology where you will be doing your research method. In this research method, what is the method you have followed? Either it is a qualitative method, quantitative method, or mixed method. What is the research design? It is an experimental design, or it is a descriptive design, or it is an empirical design. Again, depends upon the design that you have adapted. What are the objectives? Though there also you have written objective in chapter 1. Here also you have to write the objectives here. You have to write the objective, hypothesis, the variables that are using, population in which you're going to conduct the research, the sample, the sampling technique, who is the sample? Are you testing it on teachers? Are you testing it on students? Are you testing it on parents? Who are the stakeholders that are involved in your research? And then sampling technique, it could be, what technique you have followed. Either it is a probability or non-probability, I mean to say random sampling, or it's a non-random sampling, or that you have to design, whichever sampling design you have taken, you have to write that. And details of the tools that you are using, data collection and statistical techniques that you have used. All these things you are going to mention in chapter 3. Chapter 4 will have complete data analysis. Here you have said which hypothesis, what kind of a test you are going to do, what are the descriptive statistics you are going to do, and what kind of inferential statistics you are going to do. That you have to mention there. And in the chapter 4, you will be writing about, you will be conducting the test. You will do either it is, descriptive statistics, then you will go for the inferential statistics. The inferential statistics will help you to accept the hypothesis or reject the hypothesis. Once the inferential statistics is done, then you will go for your inference. You will try to understand what are the, you will try to put the tables and graphs in this chapter 4. By the chapter 5, you can find you have to do the inference of whatever the results have come. So in the inference, you will explain about the findings and conclusions. And here you are going to, summary of the study, a brief note on each of the chapter in page 1 or 2. You have to do a complete summary also here of each chapter. What are the findings and discussions, conclusions, and study implication? Major recommendations should be presented. And then in the references, you can go with the APA format and the tools that are adapted, or appendices. References is one part, and the second part is the appendices. In the reference, you are going to write about the citations, the references or the citations that you have done while you're doing research. In the appendices, you have to put the tool that you have developed and adapted for research, and list of schools which you have visited. And like you also have to write recommendation letters, whatever letters you have put, everything you have to add there in the appendices. Is it clear now? Now I will show you one sample here so that you can understand. This will be your first batch where we are going to have a research paper, or else we used to only have research for MEd students. We never had any research for, B.Ed students ever. So,
Excuse me, ma'am, as you said, we have to write 40 to 50 reviews, but in the document, it was like we have to find out 20 researches related to it and review them.
20 लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पर.
Yes, ma'am, 20, I read it somewhere. I read that document completely before.
कहाँ है 20? यहाँ पर तो नहीं लिखा हुआ है. 20 recent studies.
Yes,
Recent
ma'am.
studies है, ये अलग है. See, basically इसका एक chronology होता है.
Okay.
इसमें कैसा होता है कि ओल्ड से मीडियम एंड देन रिसेंट. तो
Okay.
फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ्स में आप रिसेंट स्टडीज लिखोगे, नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ्स में आप लिखोगे मॉडरेट लेवल पे एरा, मिडिल एरा में क्या हुआ, फिर द वेरी एंशिएंट टाइम के इंफॉर्मेशन. सो इस तरीके से आप क्रोनोलॉजी में जाओगे आप.
Got
So
it, ma'am.
review is a very, see, each chapter is a very huge chapter. It has a lot of information you have to do. So, but these days we have good AI tools through which you can do it easily. So
Right, ma'am.
now, let me just give me a minute. See, you have to write an abstract like this. We'll go with the preliminary papers where it is title page. See, you have to give a title page like this. Then you have, after title page, you have certificates. Okay. After certificate, you will have your acknowledgement. After acknowledgement, you will have your abstract. After abstract, you will have your chapter 1. Then you will have your chapter 2. Chapter 3. 4. And 5. I forgot to put this, sorry. After your, what do you say, acknowledgement. थोड़ा एक मिनट, she has a complete PDF है क्या उनके पास? I'll show the PPT, that is better. उनका पूरा PDF नहीं डाले वो, डॉक्यूमेंट एक्सेल शीट. और एल्स वेट, मैं है ना तुम लोग को एक वो बताती हूँ वेबसाइट, ठीक है, वो इजी समझ आएगा आपको. शोध गंगा, यहाँ पर आपको बहुत सारा रिसर्च मिलेगा. हम यहाँ पर रिसेंट वाला देखेंगे एजुकेशन पे. इफ यू सी हियर, यहाँ पर एक सीरीज में लिखा हुआ है. You can find a lot of researches here. So you can follow the same thing, same format for your research work also. My internet is a little slow for some reason. I don't know why. It's getting opened. See, you have to have title page, preliminary pages, content. After content, you will have to have your abstract. You will have your chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, annexures and recommendations. Show full record. I don't know, how can I download the whole thing? I'm unable to download the complete thing. See, you can find the title page, preliminary pages. Internet is a little slow. Okay. You can search here.
Ma'am, what topic to choose? Can you guide us on that also?
It's up to you. See, it's your choice on which you want to do the research. It's I can't.
Ma'am, in which semester we have to do this research thing?
Huh?
Semester we have to do this one.
Can you be a little louder, Preeti?
Ma'am, ma'am, I just wanted to ask in which semester we have to do this research thing?
In which? What did you say?
Semester, ma'am. First semester or second semester?
Fourth. Last.
Fourth one. Okay, okay. Thank you.
So Shodhganga is a very good source. You can take all the, you can take, under, if you want to have understanding, you can easily understand from this. You can also download all the documents, whichever you feel like, and you can refer this. All right, for your research work. And now let me show you some AI tools, which, you can use it and you can get benefited out of that. ChatGPT is one. You can go ahead with this. ChatGPT will show you, will do everything, majority of the work. But again, you need to have this paid version. APA format, references also it will give you. No. See, this is how it is giving you the references. So ChatGPT will do a lot of work, but here again, make it a point that you're not going to copy paste it from ChatGPT directly, because you might have the problem of plagiarism. Plagiarism is again a very big problem. You can go for Quillbot. You can paraphrase the information and you can then copy paste it. So apart from this, ChatGPT is one thing. Quillbot is used to paraphrase the information, where you can easily copy and paste it, where you will not have any plagiarism problem. You can also check the plagiarism in the internet itself. Once you can upload the information and you can check your plagiarism. All right. This is one thing. You can just paste the information here and your report is released. They will give you the report. Apart from this, this is about this review. For review, you can go for Jenny AI. Jenny AI is very good. It will help you to go for doing your research review very nicely, because it gives you very good information. So I always suggest you to go for Jenny AI. And also you can go for let me just let it come. Yeah, if I want to go for any topic on which is coming to your mind, can somebody suggest me any topic?
Teachers'
Effects of
education.
using the phone by the students.
Or what? Usage of phone?
By the students, effects.
Effects. Impact of mobile phone. Adults. My internet is a little slow. It is coming. See how it is giving you? It's giving you very good review. See the same review, you can add it. Then you also have another AI tool called Research Rabbit. You have to sign up for this. You have to, do this. मैं उतना login नहीं होती. I will show you another one. There is one Research Rabbit and there is one Google Scholar. Search here. Like mobile phones. See if you can see here PDF is a PDF. See, you can find link to some websites. Some of them are not available here. है ना? See, you can find PDF for this research work, but you cannot find the PDF for this one. So it's a paid version. So if you want to use this, what you have to go do is you have to go to another, what do you say, website, that is Sci-Hub. What you have to do is you have to copy the link and then you can paste it. It will be available. Got it? This is another website you can use for your research. And you also have this thing, data analysis के लिए you also have an AI tools. You just have to put the data and the analysis will be done.
Ma'am, one more doubt. The data to be collected has to be from schools and colleges and everywhere. Like we
See,
need to
it is
show the.
always preferred because you're BH students, you're teaching, you're doing internship in the schools. Take it from the students.
Ma'am, if we are not working, then
Go and collect it. Ask your friends to collect it for you. There is one statistic. This is one of my favorite AI tool. See, whatever test you want to do, just click and go ahead. All right. So you have to just fill the details. Everything will be done. So they are, this is one of my favorite ones, statistics, this thing. There are a lot of it you can use AIs. So these are few AIs that you can use, and also you have good YouTube channels through which you can learn. See how nicely it is giving. Just keep on giving the references. The same references you can put it in your review. Okay. Now, for instance, this is something that we have received. Okay. Or else what you can do is you can also ask ChatGPT to make it proper. In APA format, you will not actually. It will convert. See, it has converted to APA format. Got it? So like this, you can go ahead for your chapters. That's it for today. Anything else you want to ask?
Ma'am, this has to be done under a professor as something is written. What exactly does it mean?
Yeah, your mentor. You will have a mentor under that. That will be provided from the college.
So, ma'am, once mentor is assigned, then only we have to start, or we can start
No, you can
beforehand?
start now. Your mentors are already decided. Just sir will tell you. That's it.
No, ma'am, actually, my point was, suppose we have decided one topic, and then after we are getting any mentor and they need to change our topic or something later on, then
You have to change. If the guide is telling you, you have to change.
that's why, ma'am, if we get to know the mentor ASAP, it will be helpful, right?
Ma'am, one more thing. In the SWAYAM app, you said it's a 1 week, there'll be a test and all, like quiz and everything. Like, for example, if we are having our exam in the middle of it, so how could we cope up? Like, we are not sure which date is our exam. And enrolling into a course is something that it is mandatory for us being in we are entering into the 4th semester. So it's a very dilemma situation what to do. Like if we join now and the exams are nearby and we miss the quiz and everything, then?
No, ongoing, you will not get a chance.
No, ma'am, I'm not talking about the ongoing. I got your point about the ongoing part. I'm talking about the new courses that will come. For example, starting in the next week. Then, and if the exam is not.
You can select the exam date. You can select the exam date in the month of May. You will have holidays. That day you go and apply, give the exam and come. Simple. When you are filling the form itself, you are getting the date of application and fees also sometimes for some
But
courses.
ma'am, why is that the exam dates are never been fixed here in the
Because it
Osmania?
is self-paced. You can select it. All over India, no? So whenever
No, ma'am, I'm talking about the 3rd semester exams. Why it's not being declared when the
Acha,
exam
this
are?
one, official wala. That is, you
Yes.
have to ask sir, not me. So I'm done with my content. If you have any questions regarding content, I'll be more happy to explain that. I'm sure you're now clear with what MOOCs is and what dissertation is.
Excuse me, ma'am. Regarding that DigiLocker, right? ABC, I have done it. So how can I link with Swayam?
ABC कार्ड
that
मिला
course?
तुमको? APC कार्ड
Yeah,
आया?
yeah, got it,
हाँ,
ma'am.
तो
I
वो जो
got it.
ID नंबर रहेगा ना, वो डालना पड़ेगा.
Oh, where, ma'am? Exactly where I
In
have
5
to put
minutes,
that?
though, voice is very loud here.
Oh, okay.
Yes, tell me now. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, I have that ABC card. So how can I link with that SWAYAM portal?
See, you have to, when you might have seen, no, when I was also
Yes,
filling.
yes.
So you
Yeah,
please, when
yeah.
you say that I have a ABC credit card account, so if you click that, there will another line will come where you have to put the number. You just have to put the
Oh,
number,
okay.
that's it.
Okay, ma'am. While login or while selecting the course?
Yeah, of course. Once you are
Okay.
logged in, once you are selected a course, every time the information will be same.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Okay. So only courses are very limited, which we can't right now choose.
No. We will that again. I will discuss it with sir, and I will
Okay.
select some
Okay, ma'am.
courses, and I will send the PDF to you. Clickable
Okay,
links
ma'am.
will be there. Click that,
Okay.
and then you can easily access to whichever course you want to. Okay.
Okay.
We
Thank you,
will
ma'am.
do.
Thank you so much. Yeah,
We
yeah.
have to. We will
Yes,
do
ma'am.
that thing for you all because it's a first time for you all and first time
Yes,
for all
yes,
of us
ma'am.
as well. So
Yes, ma'am.
we don't want you to suffer. We don't want anybody to have any problems. So I will discuss it with sir and finalize the courses that is eligible for you all and which you can do it.
Okay,
Don't
ma'am.
worry
Okay.
that
Thank
part.
you, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes,
this
ma'am.
ABC
Dissertation also you have so many. That Shodh Ganga is a very good source. If you want to do any research, just go there. You put whatever topic you want and just follow the format. Same format you have to do, but you have to be very conscious. Education you should take.
Okay,
You
ma'am.
have
Okay,
all
ma'am.
the subjects in
Yes.
Shodh Ganga, including engineering. You have to
Okay.
search for education or the topic which you are doing. Okay, the
Okay, ma'am.
department
Yes,
should be
ma'am.
from education. So
Ma'am,
this.
can we
Ma'am.
can we do this ABC ID through mobile, ma'am?
क्या बोले?
We can can
Yeah,
we do
you
this
can do it
ABC ID
on
through
your
mobile?
mobile also. You can do it on your mobile, but it is very tough for you.
So
Dissertation,
we need to visit eSeva, ma'am, otherwise
which
a net
one?
center
For
for ABC ID, ma'am.
ABCID, you can do it at your phone only. Easy, 5 minutes. DigiLocal app you download, you will get it.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, when we are trying to create the ABC ID, they're asking, I am a student at. So, shall we give the roll number of the current university
Yes.
or the course we have completed?
No. Present course. That only will be reflected in your degree.
So, should we write Osmania University, ma'am?
Osmania University and the roll number, whatever you have.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yes. Anything else? Good
Excuse
doubts.
me,
These are
ma'am.
good doubts. Yeah.
Ma'am, after creating ABC account only, we have the Swayam portal will
Yeah,
open
because
forever,
it will
ma'am.
be, as I told you, we have to transfer your credits. It should show in the government link. It should come in the link, then we can transfer your account, your number.
So first we need to create an ABC account and then we have to go to the Swayam portal, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Okay,
if at all we have joined the Swayam app and we have joined it in any course and we haven't done this ABC ID, there is any other chance, ma'am, there is any other way that we can upload our ABC ID later on?
That I don't know. I have to find out that. I don't know about that. Usually we follow this format because it will be easy for anybody to access because your college people and the government can, give your information easily if you have logged in through ABC.
ABC, madam, you are not having ABC ID. Your question is ABC ID you are not having. Later on, you can reflect or not. Your question, madam?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can reflect, but thing is, like after completion of your online examination, you will get the certificate.
Yes, sir.
So you can upload later also.
Later also we can upload. Okay, sir.
Yes, madam. Yes.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Regarding dissertation, do we have any limitation of the chapters of any topic that we have
In the syllabus copy, everything is detailed में लिखा हुआ है. Everything is there.
1, 2, 3, 4, all the semesters, any topic related to the B.Ed and education, you can choose your own.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
You can, I told you, Shodh Ganga is a very good source. You will get so many research work there. You will understand, sit with that website for a while, spend some time. You will understand, see, it is always good to be a researcher. And if you understand what research is, it will be very beneficial for you even in your future.
But
among you to do research. So keep that thing in mind, and I showed you a very good platform, Shodh Ganga.
Yes, ma'am.
You can understand what it is, how the things are done. Those are for PhD level, but you can go for your basic understanding what research is.
Already we given the stepwise explanation with screenshots and steps. We given the ABC ID how to create through DigiLocker. Already we given WhatsApp and email every student, madam.
Is it?
Already majority students are already taken ABC. Some students are yet to take.
Okay. That's good. That's nice.
For including 1, 2, 3, 4 semesters.
Oh, nice. Wonderful.
Students, any doubts now you can ask, because now end of the section. So you kindly ask one by one, we will clarify. Like content wise, madam will clarify. On admin part, I will clarify.
Sir, help us with the exam date, sir. When is the exam date for the third
This is
semester?
not related to question of the class.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. When I'm going to do that ABC digital locker, so here it is showing that your profile name is already existed. Why
Which
it is
means
showing?
somebody, I think so you might have created your Aadhaar card. You made your new Aadhaar card?
Not new, ma'am.
You might have at least, added your phone number or something in that.
Nothing. Just I write my mobile number and my name. That's it. And when I'm going first page only, I'm going to submit. That time only it is showing your name. It is already existed.
It is already existing.
I think you already created.
You already created.
No. First time I'm going to do that
No.
one.
That is why I'm asking you. This is a government link. You might have done some Aadhaar update. You might have made your voter ID card. Some government related thing you have created. At that time, you have created this locker ID. In that locker ID,